Then I bought some tea. I wanted to drink some Japanese tea, hojicha. Oh, it's gonna come out, it's gonna come out. I don't want it to come out. Oh, it smells so refreshing. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, since I am just so lazy, I didn't want to wash my rice, so I bought these. Mu-sen-mai. Mu-sen-mai means no washing rice. So basically, normal rice you have to wash before you cook, but for Mu-sen-mai, non-washing rice, you don't need to go through that process. You could just put them in a pot, put water in, and cook it. Super easy. So let's get cooking. I know I have water here, but I just want to use cold water for cooking rice, so. Put the lid on. Wait, this is too big. Here we go. Maybe I put in a little too less water. While the rice is cooking, we're going to make miso soup. So I prepared a bowl here. Let's get rid of the iPad. I boiled some water. And I have several ingredients to go with. We have the miso, of course. And I bought Japanese white radish, some enoki mushrooms, and we have some leftover green onions. Open! Ooh, yeah. Oh, it smells so good. I have a secret sauce to making delicious miso soup. Ba-bum! It's a dashi. It's from fish. It's like basically fish broth. It comes in packages like this. I got this for a present when I came to Bangkok. It's really nice. I use it when I cook miso soup or cook udon too. We're gonna put this in just like that. Simple and easy. And we'll put the miso in later on. Okay, so while it is boiling, I'm going to prepare the ingredients. Let's have a quick taste, see how it is. Oh, yes. I'm gonna fluff the rice. Today I also bought pickled cucumbers. This is called kyuchan. Kyuri no kyuchan. It's pickled cucumbers in like soy sauce, vinegar, and things like that. And yeah, it's delicious. I'm gonna eat it later. Alrighty. Okay. So here are my rice and miso soup, and I am also going to have the pickled cucumbers as well. Let's have these first. this is Japanese food. I'm gonna try the rice. It's my first time cooking this, the non-washing rice in Thailand. Let's see how it is. It's good, but I put a little bit too few water, so it's a little bit hard. But when you bite into it and the taste, the sweetness of the rice that comes out, it's actually pretty flavorful. I like it. And the pickles too goes well with the rice, so I'm gonna have 2. Oh. It's hot. Delicious. Okay, today I also have bought sausage. Koukun sausage. It's from Japan, so it's a little bit on the pricey side. I usually don't buy it, but I just want it to happen. So let's cook them. Okie dokie. I'm going to use a pan. Very simple. I'm gonna open it up. It's already smelling good. Place them on here. And I'm going to cut it just a little bit. And here we go. Okay, looks good, I guess. Here we go. I've already prepared my second round of rice and miso soup, and I'll be having the sausage as well. Itadakimasu. Whew. The smoky flavor, the juiciness, and the crisp outside skin. It's just perfect. The only mistake I made today, I'd say, was the rice. I should have poured a little bit more water in the beginning. It's a little bit too hard. So anyways, it was my first time making miso soup here in Bangkok, Thailand. And you know, if you have the ingredients, you always have Asian supermarkets. You can buy miso anywhere. And for today's ingredients, it's daikon radish, Japanese white radish, and enoki mushrooms, and some green onions, scallions. So that's basically it. Very simple, very easy, and delicious.